Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change Spotify country. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Spotify and tap on your profile and account. So here you can see my country showing up here, and now I'm clicking on edit profile. So here is the country option, and if I click on country, so here you can see here's no option to change or update the country. So we can't change our country from a free Spotify account. So all you have to need, open your Spotify and click on upgrade, get started. And select the option from here. After that, here you will get the option to change your country. So click on change country. Now you will be able to change your country. So here's the option to change Spotify country in free version. So all you have to need to change your country, you will need to upgrade your Spotify account, and after that you will be able to change your country. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.